Do not leave your house for a very long time without having electricity on, without having security cameras on all the time. Here's the reason. Squatters have been breaking into homes that are vacant, and they're changing the locks, they're occupying them, they're creating fake leases, and they're saying,
hey, we are getting a lease, we have a lease, we paid a security deposit to the owner.
And it's not somebody that is actually the owner, it's somebody that they made up, and they just forge the signatures all over the lease, and then they will occupy the home, and then it's very hard to get them out. If you're a homeowner, make sure that you have electricity on, Wi-Fi on, and have security cameras on at all times. This have been going on, and I had a friend that had this experience happen to them just recently, where they were about a week from closing, and then they come to find out that the locks were all taken out, and there were just a few minutes before the squatter just occupying the house. They had a lease signed by a fake owner, and they had called the cops and said they gave the security deposit to that person that made the lease, and if it was too late, then it would have been very hard to evict them. So make sure that you're always keeping your home secure, especially if you're leaving it for a few days.